Hello, I'm John Barboza. Thanks for tuning in. I haven't recorded anything for a couple of months, and I'll explain why in the next video, so be sure to watch it. What I've been doing recently, in the last few weeks, is tying things up and completing projects I started a while ago. One of the main projects that I'm excited about is the completion of my new book called Barboza's Book of Hypnotic Inductions. I started writing it a couple of years ago, just dabbling with it. But once the pandemic took a hold of us and the isolation was implemented, I began to take advantage of the downtime, and I put all of my energy into writing and completing the manuscript. So I was more focused on meeting deadlines and coming up with inductions for the book, and writing and editing and gathering a handful of people to assist me in the process. What have you been doing during this COVID pandemic, during these times of isolation? Keeping yourself physically and mentally busy is important. Movement is important. What are your plans for today, tomorrow, next week, the entire month? Is there anything that you did accomplish? Is there anything that you want to accomplish? It can be something as simple as vacuuming, making the bed, brushing your teeth, showering, dressing up instead of staying in your pajamas all day. It's easy to sit back and do nothing, to worry and panic, and to fall into a rut and maybe stay in bed all day. But when you have something to look forward to doing, instead of pushing it to the side and talking yourself out of it, consciously stop yourself at that moment and realize the behavior that's taking place, and force yourself to take the first step. And continue moving forward, taking the second and third steps. And before you know it, you will find yourself doing something other than doing nothing. You will find yourself accomplishing something, whether it's exercising by walking from one room to the other, or doing the dishes, or simply getting back on track. This may and can easily kickstart you into getting back into a positive, rewarding routine. And before you know it, you will find yourself focusing more on what you want and need to do, rather than other less productive things and behaviors. So take a moment to just close your eyes and take a nice, slow, deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine your legs relaxing as you take another slow, deep breath. And imagine the relaxation moving up your torso, lower and upper back. And allow the relaxation to move down both of your arms, relaxing all the muscles in your body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head, with every breath that you take and every word that I say. Relax. 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 And just let go. And allow yourself to take a hold of the following suggestions that can and will improve your life just by taking the first step, the second step, and the third step forward, kickstarting you into a positive, productive, rewarding routine, and keeping you on track and remaining motivated and constantly looking forward to accomplishing goals and staying positive and in control. As I begin to count from 1 to 5, imagine these suggestions becoming stronger and every number making it stronger with every breath that you take as you begin to come back into the room. 1. Take a deep breath now, filling your lungs with energy and oxygen. 2. Feeling positive and motivated as you begin to return to the room. 3. Beginning to stretch and yawn as your eyes begin to open, feeling good, feeling wonderful. 4 and 5. Open your eyes now, feeling good, feeling wonderful, feeling motivated and positive. Welcome back. I'm John Barboza, and I'll see you soon.